Good afternoon and welcome back. I'm LJ with today's food adventure stop. Are you ready for today's food adventure? Let's go. Hello.
Hi, sir. May I help you?
Yes, can I please have some of the brisket and a little bit of turkey, please?
Just the one brisket.
Awesome. Thank you.
Okay, what can you get?
Perfect.
Anything else, sir?
Thank you so much. Appreciate
No,
that.
thank you.
Awesome.
Enjoy, sir.
Thank you. So first up, I got the meat platter. It's beef brisket, sliced turkey breast, and fried chicken. Looks a little dry, but let's see. Oh, that's really good. Nice smoky flavor. It is a little bit on the dry side, but the flavor definitely compensates for it. Man, that is good. Brisket, good in my mouth. Now, same for the turkey. I think it'll be a little dry, but maybe the flavor will make up for it. Dry, but yes, great flavor. Oh yeah. And next, fried chicken. Again, it looks like it's a little on the dry side, which is okay with me. I don't mind it because I actually like my chicken like a little stringy like that. Not bad. I've had better, but not bad. And this is my next Asian-inspired plate. So there is the crab rangoon, pot sticker, a little bit of kimchi. There's a couple of the a crab roll, I believe, and that's the spicy imitation crab roll as well. A little wasabi and ginger, fried rice, orange chicken, and shrimp chow mein, and a little bit of sesame bok choy. A little bit of kimchi. Let's see how this tastes here. Good salty flavor. I like a little bit of the salt in there. Good spice. It's been pickled maybe for a couple days. Pretty good. Fried rice seems kind of plain, a little dry. Let's give that a try. Yeah, not fantastic. Orange chicken. Pretty good. Got the crispy outside and definitely a lot of orange flavor. A little more than your typical Panda Express, but pretty good. I didn't grab any chopsticks, so I'll have to get creative with this, but we'll do a little wasabi on the roll there and just pick it up with the fork. Nice and good and fresh. That was good. And next, the pot sticker. This here is my Mexican-inspired plate that I put together. So this is a birria. It's a nice shredded beef with the consomme, rice, beans, tortillas, limes, onion, cilantro, guacamole, sour cream, and a little side of pozole. When you take a look at that, wow. Dip it in there, some more of the consomme. Dip it in there like that. A little bit of lime on there. Folding action. Oh, this is too big. Oh, it's stuffed way too full. There's no way I can dip this. I'm gonna lose half my toppings. Dip it in the consomme. Chocolate and whipped cream, please. chocolate and whipped cream, please. Yes, please. Thank you. Great. Thank you.
Joy, have a good day.
You too. So hey, I'm LJ with today's Adventure Stop. Thanks for joining me, and if you're new to my channel, give me a nice subscribe down below and like this video. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye everyone.